Hey everyone, in this quick video, I wanted to show you how to change your username inside of TikTok. So let's go ahead and launch the TikTok app here, and it's a super simple process. Let me go ahead and skip this ad. And on the home page, press the profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. This is where the profile is, where you get you to your profile. And to edit your username, press edit profile right in the middle of the page. Go ahead and press that. And here you'll see two different names. So you have the visible name that people see here. This one you could easily change anytime and save. The save is on the top. So that changed the name on top right here. You see the name on top. But the real profile name is the second option. That's your username here. So to change your username, this can only happen once every 30 days, and this is your unique identifier. So make sure you change this if you really don't want the old name anymore, because this will completely change it and you won't be able to do anything about that for 30 days. But you have 24 characters here for that name, so you could change that here. I'm not going to change mine. I want to keep mine that way. I'm going to press save. I'm going to go ahead and change my top one back. This one you could change anytime, really easy. And it's that simple to change your profile and username on TikTok. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. I post easy to follow social media videos multiple times a week, and I hope to catch you next time. Thanks for watching.